Hey everybody, time for some shaky video. It's been raining. It's the 8th and it's gonna rain the rest of the week, I believe. But I'm noticing in my beds that everything is going haywire. So I gotta go and chop some stuff. But before I do that, I wanted to show y'all. So look how beautiful and wet it is out here. I know that sounded dirty. That's okay. Here we go. These are all my starts. They were in the house because it had been freezing. We get all kind of ridiculous weather out here, so. And there's my other starts. These are, I don't know what the heck that is, but this is my nasturtium. I'm not getting ready to name everything, but these are my morning glories. I'm happy about that. But these are all my cold crops. So, anywho, let's get slowly turned. I'm sorry if I just made y'all dizzy, but we're going over here. So I planted this stuff in the fall thinking I was gonna have a fall crop. Well, it started getting cold. Like I said, the weather's ridiculous out here, so it got cold, and then I had to cover everything. It was just a mess. Bottom line is this stuff overwintered and covered in these beds, and of course once it gets warm outside, these plants don't know what to do. So I realized, I was like, oh, let it just grow, I don't need any seeds. And I realized that what I'm doing is having something they're stealing the nitrogen out of my soil. So I'm finna cut these damn things down. But look at this. I thought I was gonna be growing some kale, y'all. I don't know what the heck this was supposed to be, but it don't exist. What is this? What does it say? This ain't no collard green. This is a flower. Same thing here, but you know what? This cabbage overwintered, and it looked like it actually want to turn into a cabbage, so I'm going to leave that alone. But here's some kale that ain't bolting yet. I think I'm still going to cut it out, because I have some more. Oops, there we go. I have some more started, so here goes some more flower garbage. I don't know what the hell. Okay, and this is my bed. Last week or whenever last recorded, I told y'all I flung a whole bunch of lettuce everywhere. That's all the light colored stuff. I just threw the seeds, like, I don't even care. But the thing is, because my boyfriend likes to eat salad. And so, look at that. These overwintered. Can you believe? Oh my God. And then when it got warm, they went crazy. And this one is out of control. I got to cut some of it, just because I can't let it stay like this. So, Donnie gets some salad. Anyway, so these were supposed to be collard greens for sure. Now they're all flowers. And anyway, I don't know if they're bitter when they start flowering like that. I know when my broccoli does it, it just tastes, the broccoli did it once and the Brussels sprouts did it. And I just ate the leaves and the flowers before they turned into flowers, and it was delicious. So I'm going to try that. Hopefully the greens ain't bitter, because, you know, stuff like that happens. Anyway, here's my weed bed, because ain't nothing in there. And weed as in not pot, just plants out of place. So, P-O-P? Plants out of place? Okay. Anyway, I just got a couple onions. The stuff I was growing in here just didn't work last season, or I can't remember what it is. I ate it, or I don't know, but there it is. And these right here, those are dead nettle. I gotta look up how to eat them or chop them down, whatever. Okay, so there that goes. This is nothing except maybe some stuff popping up. Oh, dang, those geese scared me. They're honking over my head. I didn't know what that was. I'm not scared of birds, y'all. That honk just got me. Okay, anyway, so here's one of my flower beds. Things are starting to come up. I'm still putting hot pepper out here every night when now it's wet, so I have to the hot pepper ain't gonna work, probably not work. It'll sink in, but I'm trying to keep the raccoons out. I'm trying to let my flowers grow. But check these little dudes out. those are all bachelor's buttons. You know, those seeds go everywhere. So last year was a whole bunch of sunflowers popping up. Now I got bachelor buttons everywhere. Look at that. As I was saying, these are bachelor's buttons. And there they are. Here, I'm going to get closer. I don't know why I'm not getting closer, but there they are. So I don't know which one. I had pinky ones and bluey ones and all that kind of stuff last year. And here we go. Some more bachelor's buttons or bachelor buttons or whatever. And these are the ones that's outside of the little fence area. Because just like me, my garden refuses to be contained. Don't put me in a corner, bitches. Yeah. All right. Sorry if I'm trying really hard not to go too fast, but I'm trying not to bust my butt too, because see that I had to step over that, and this ground is very uneven. Anyway, so my strawberries are doing really well. Check that out, y'all. Look at my strawberries. And here's something, I don't know what it is, but y'all know my theme. We gonna see what happens. Alright, here's some strawberries. Oh, y'all see this patch? I made a mistake and opened up it's cayenne pepper. I made a mistake and opened the cayenne pepper on the wrong side. And this strawberry got a whole bunch of hot. Ain't nothing touching that strawberry, rain or not. Alright, so more strawberries. And then if you can see, I got little dudes popping up. And then we got Artemisia that's gonna try to take over. So I gotta get in here and yank that out. Cause check this out. That's all Artemisia. You know, I hear if you put it under your pillow, you'll have lucid dreams. I tried to do it, put it under my boyfriend's pillow or whatever. He didn't have the dreams. So I took it and stuck it next to my bedside. Cause I was like, well, forget it. And I didn't realize I started going insane and having dreams. Weird dreams, but I have a high sense of smell. So the dadgum thing was on my table next to my bed. And I figured that the reason why I was having crazy dreams was because of that. I don't know what's going on, but I sure in the hell took that bag off of my nightstand or table or whatever it is and tossed it. I was like, hell no, these dreams are weird. But my boyfriend's mom passed away, and he says, you know, she comes to everyone in a dream, but she never comes to him. So I tried to help him, and I don't know who was coming to me, but they had to go. So I'm kind of glad his mom didn't come to him. She probably would have been some kind of weird psychedelic mess. Anyway, I'm over here showing you stuff and not telling you. This is my potatoes, and ain't nothing coming up, so there's nothing to show. I don't know why I'm doing that, but these are my, I don't know what they call. Anyway, I'm just trying to hurry up and do this so I can come out and eat this stuff up. This is my gravestone. My boyfriend said that looked like a gravestone. So, I guess I'm going to be buried in my garden, y'all. Anyway, I've realized that I'm going to, actually I'll tell you this on another video. I'll do one of those where I sit the camera in front of me and talk about myself. So I'll put on some lipstick so y'all don't see my secret. And that's it. All right, everybody. I love you all. And you know my theme. We gonna see what happens. All right. Bye.